Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Statistical learning is a powerful field that involves understanding patterns and relationships within data. This tutorial aims to provide a comprehensive introduction to statistical learning using Python, covering key concepts and practical examples. Before diving into statistical learning, ensure you have Python installed along with essential libraries. You can use the following commands to install necessary packages. Statistical learning involves two main types, supervised and unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, the algorithm is trained on labeled data, while unsupervised learning deals with unlabeled data. Additionally, statistical learning can be categorized as regression, predicting a continuous outcome, or classification, predicting a categorical outcome. In supervised learning, the model learns from a labeled dataset, making predictions based on input features. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, explores patterns and relationships within unlabeled data without predefined outcomes. Regression involves predicting a continuous outcome, example predicting house prices, while classification deals with predicting a categorical outcome, example classifying emails as spam or not spam. To effectively implement statistical learning algorithms, you'll need the following Python libraries. NumPy provides support for large, multi-dimensional arrays and matrices, along with mathematical functions. Pandas is a powerful library for